Good morning student. This is our GK class. In GK class, last day we have done sport and water sport. One more time we are going to revise it. Okay? Water sport. In your book, page number 36. Okay, it is water sport. What it is written now? Water sport is a sport that takes place in water. There are different types of water sport. Okay, so my question is that I have make you write in your copy what is a water sport. What I make you write? What is a water sport? Okay. A water sport is a sport that takes place in water. What? A water sport is a sport that takes place in water. Okay. Next one. Next. See here. There are different types of water sport. What are they? Number one, it is given. It is a team game. It is played by swimmer in a pool. This is known as water polo. Next, it is a sport of moving oneself through water using limbs. So this is known as swimming. Next, number three, it is the sport of riding on water on a sailboat. Okay, on a sailboat you have to ride. This is known as windsurfing, and it is a sport of racing in yacht. So it is known as yachting. Okay. Then come to here. Vellam Kalli is the traditional boat race in Kerala. In Kerala, India. Means this is a race. It is traditionally going on from very far to till now. This boat race name is Vellam Kalli. It is usually held during the Onam festival. When Onam is there, they held this race. Vellam Kalli is also known as the snake boat race. Its another name is snake boat race. Okay. After reading this, these two pictures also you have to find what it is. This is rowing and this is skiing. And here written, polo is a game played between two teams on a horseback. Means it is a game where we use an animal is known as horse and we play the game. A wooden ball is pushed around the long handled mallet. Ball is wooden and it is always been pushed with the stick. That stick is known as mallet. Here are some different types of polo. What pictures? See the picture. First polo is normal polo because it is on a horse. Next is snow polo because they are playing on snow. And third one is elephant polo because they are sitting on an elephant and they are playing. Understand? Now come to the extra works I have given you. What I have teach? What is a water sport? Just now I have teach. A water sport is a sport that takes place in water. Next, what it is? Dash is a team game and played in water. In water, and it is a team game. That is a water polo. Okay. Next, dash is a sport moving oneself through water using limbs. So this is a swimming. What it is? SWIM, swim. Ming, MING. Okay. Next, dash is a sport of riding on water on a sailboat. So on a sailboat they have to ride. So this is known as windsurfing. What it is known as? Windsurfing. WIND. Wind. Surfing. SURFING. This is windsurfing. Okay. Now come to the next. Next question is, dash is a sport of racing in yacht. It is known as yachting. What it is known as? Yachting. Now come to some fill-ups. Dash is the traditional race of Kerala, India. What is the traditional race of Kerala? Vellam Kalli. What it is? V-A-L-L-M. Vellam Kalli. K-A-L-I. Okay. Understand? Now next. Vellam Kalli is usually held during the Dash festival. Which festival? On Onam festival. Onam. Okay. Next. Vellam Kalli is also known as Dash. Snake boat race. What's its another name? Snake boat race. Okay. Next is our true false. Okay. Next is our true false. What true false I have make you write? Skiing is a kind of water sport. Tell me, skiing is a kind of water sport? Yes, it is true. Skiing is a kind of water sport. Okay. Yachting is a sport of moving oneself through water using limbs. Just now you have read that this sport is moving oneself through water using their limbs. So this is a yachting or swimming. So yeah, I have written yachting is the sport of moving oneself through water using the limbs. False. Next, windsurfing is a sport of riding on water on a sailboat. Okay, windsurfing is a sport riding on a water on a sailboat. Yes, correct. True. Next, all I have given in the copy you have done. Polo is a game played between two teams on a horseback. Polo is a two teams game and it is played on a horseback. Correct? Just now I have explained you. Yes, it is true. Vellam Kalli is a traditional race of Bihar, India. No, it is the traditional race of Kerala. So false. It is false. Okay. Next is our matching. What it is given? Matching. Swarm, race, cricket, football, water polo, ice hockey. And this side, obstacle race, 11 players, flies, bat and a ball, national game of Canada, water sport. Okay? Understand? So, first we do. Swarm is a what? Swarm of flies. So, number 1 it will be. Next, race. Here race is what? Obstacle race. So, this is number 2. Understand? Then, cricket. Cricket will be, cricket has a bat and a ball. So, it will be number 3. Then, number 4 is a football. Football what? It has 11 players. Okay? Then water polo is a water sport. And ice hockey. Ice hockey is the national game of Canada. Okay? So I have make you write this now. From this chapter up to this, I have given you extra questions in copy and I make you teach. So go through it properly. Understand? Then next chapter is then and now. Okay? Next chapter is then and now. What it is given? A gadget is a machine that is used for a particular purpose. We use it, different gadget, to help us with our household work. In the olden days, most of the work has been done by hand. Means the machines which we use or gadgets we use for particular purpose. And that work in our house we do earlier time with our hand. Now there are some useful gadgets are there. Okay? through which we do it. Understand? So in our next class, I am going to teach you about gadgets. Okay? Today I have teach all about water sport. So go through it and learn it, students. Okay? Thank you.